Hello everybody, it's my pleasure to greet you all and welcome you on day one of the Emirates Critical Care Conference on the 22nd edition. We started the first day with a big bomb. I especially talked about achievements have been happening or we did it during the last 22 years. Attendees were amazed. We are amazed with them actually. Beside the workshops that have been running parallel, about 6 workshops, so in total we were having around 13 and sometimes it was 15. Very successfully. We are very happy. We are very grateful to you all for sharing. And as our motto says, from evidence to excellence is the future of critical care.